set up a whole professional looking, you know, set and stuff and film with lighting and everything, but I don't have time. I'm kind of pressed for time, so I'm just going to show you guys everything that I bought from Dollar Tree. And this was about, I'd say, I bought other stuff, so I think everything came to like $50 with the other stuff that I bought. But this is everything that I'm using to make the Elmo basket. So we got some bibs, some baby wash, teething rings, some little night books, a pacifier holder, washcloths. This is the tape that I'm going to use. This is a wipe container, more washcloths, diaper, a bottle brush, a hairbrush, and then we have some bottles, a bunch of bottles. They just have Elmo and Big Bird. They had Cookie Monster too, but I'm not really using blue, so I didn't get any Cookie Monster stuff. This is a teething ring. I think this is a teething ring right here. I'm going to take this Elmo and combine these two items and glue Elmo to it to add like a little, I don't know, cute little look. And then this is like a bath time book. This is the paper that's going to go on the bottom, and then I have tissue paper also that I'm going to stick out the sides. And then here's some more bibs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to make the basket up. It's kind of self-explanatory. I'll show you guys how everything is set up once I put it in the basket. And then this is the little basket that I bought from Dollar Tree also, and I also just printed out the baby's name. His name is Nolan, so I just printed out his name. It looks kind of, the glue is showing, but once I put it on the box, it won't show. So I'm going to cut this out, and this is going to be the little tag to go on the box, on the basket, so you guys will see. And then this is just the basket bags. They sell these 2 in a pack at Dollar Tree, so we're going to use this too. So I'll show you guys the finished product once I get everything together. Okay, so this, we're going to use the blue and yellow paper out of the tissue paper that I bought from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to ball this up and kind of stick it at the bottom so we can have some height to our basket and everything's not like sinking in the basket. So I'm trying to do this with one hand because I don't have my top hot. So I'm going to ball this paper up. It can be fluffy, it doesn't really matter because we're just trying to get some height to our basket. So get some more paper, that was good. Okay, so this, right? And then cut it down so it's not showing. Then we're going to take our yellow paper that's over there and just drape it. Okay, so I'll be back. This is how it looks once you drape your paper. So I'm going to add my Elmo bibs on the side, and then Big Bird is going to go around the back, and I'm not going to put anything in the front because I want to put my sign in the front that says Nolan. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm so sorry the lighting is absolutely horrible, but this is how it looks once you tape everything down. So we have Elmo on the side, Big Bird at the back, Elmo on the sides, and then nothing's going to go in the front because his name is going to go on the front of the box. So you kind of can just fluff it up how you want it to look. I don't really like straggly pieces, so I'm going to kind of pull that out and have it like that. So I'll come back. I'm going to place everything in the basket, and then I'll come back and show you where I put everything. But we're going to add this in first, and then we're going to just put everything like around the basket so you guys see. So this is how it looks once you add all your stuffing. And now I'm just going to fill the basket up with all the stuff that I bought, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this is how it came out. It's really, really crowded. I stuffed a whole bunch of stuff in here, but I think it looks really, really cute. And I'm going to put my paper on it and then show you guys the total finished product. The only thing I didn't use was those 3 bottles over there. They would not fit. But I think I did pretty good at getting everything else in there. And then it says Nolan on the front. I have to glue that some more. It's kind of falling off, but so